Here, you have the campaign interface to let you send out broadcast messages to customers that you want to reach out to. On the interface right here, it shows that there are sent, delivered, read, replied for your previously sent campaigns. So you can use that as a base for analytics. So in the near future, if you were to do some A/B testing, this would be a great reference for you to know which campaign works the best. Secondly, the status on the left also shows if your campaign has any issues when sending. So to begin with, we can start off by creating a campaign by pressing the top right button, which is highlighted in blue, Create Campaign. The first option that they will ask you to choose is to choose which channel you'll be sending it through. Please note that the limited channels that you can send it through includes the official WhatsApp channels, SMS, and also Line. You can choose your channels here, then press the Next button. In this interface, you can see on the left, you can include all the informations such as the title of the campaign for your internal reference, the channels that you'll be sending through, fallback channels if your main channel does not succeed in sending, recipients where you can place the list of the contacts that you've grouped previously to broadcast to. You can also select the scheduled time where you can specify a date and time where the campaign will be sent after you press the review and publish button on the top right. Please note that if you're using WhatsApp to send out any messages, it would have to be template messages that are previously approved by WhatsApp. To get those templates approved, you can go onto 360 Dialog directly to submit templates. Or if you're using a number from Twilio, you can press the top right settings and submit those templates directly on the SleekFlow platform. Once those templates are approved, you can select template to find those templates that you have previously submitted. So for example, if I would like to send out this no problem template, you can also see that if you've included a variable within a template, which includes the brackets and the number inside, you can type any information that you want in there so the customers can receive their unique messages. Other than typing it out, there's also the variables on the right-hand side, which allows you to choose whichever variable you want to send out a message. For example, I would like to include their first name in this variable field right here. So based on the customer's contact information on SleekFlow, so you can send out various customized messages. So one of the best examples for this is if you're doing a broadcast campaign and you want to send out a message for each particular customer based on what they've previously purchased. You can actually use first name as a variable to greet the customer and also include the unique variables that you've added onto the SleekFlow platform to match what they've previously purchased. Then you can send out that message through campaigns, and each customer will have their unique messages catered specifically for them. Once you've set everything up, you can also preview the message before sending, or you can also press the review and publish button to send that immediately. If you're not sure about the template, you can always save that and come back to it by visiting the campaigns function and pressing back into the saved